Welcome to this tutorial on using Vurbo in your workplace. Once you've downloaded and installed Vurbo, you'll receive a 7-day full-feature trial. How to enter your license code. Select License from the menu. Enter your license code. Confirm and activate your subscription. Open the Vurbo.ai software to access the homepage. You can choose voice recording to access the settings page and start transcription immediately, or select file import to extract file information and quickly transcribe content. Frequently used scenarios allows you to create custom transcription settings effortlessly, including language recognition, translation, and terminology options. Once set up, future transcriptions can be initiated with just one click, saving time and effort. To help you get started quickly, we have prepared multiple preset scenarios as examples. These enable you to understand features easily and apply them immediately for a seamless transcription experience. On the left side, you'll find the History section, where you can review previous transcriptions anytime to ensure no important information is lost. 1. Start voice recording. 2. Select the transcription language, up to 2 languages. The highest accuracy is achieved when selecting a single language. 3. Adjust sentence segmentation speed based on the speaker's pace to ensure accurate transcription. 4. Enable speaker separation. Recognizes 2 to 10 speakers, making it ideal for meetings or multi-speaker conversations. When recognizing 2 languages, the bilingual translation feature can be used. Choose a translation mode. Full sentence mode translates an entire segment after transcription. Real-time mode transcribes and translates sentence by sentence, ideal for live subtitles. If translating audio playback, enable playback translation, select an audio output device, and adjust the speech speed, normal, fast, or very fast. Click the microphone icon to select either the default device or an external microphone. To capture audio from a computer application, click Capture Audio Device and select the application's audio source. Enable summary templates. Select a suitable meeting minutes template based on your needs and generate records with one click. Enable the floating subtitle window. Displays transcribed subtitles or translation results in real time for easy reference. You can start by selecting a built-in terminology library based on your topic. This can significantly improve speech recognition accuracy. Built-in libraries cover professional fields such as healthcare, law, security, and technology. If the built-in options aren't sufficient, you can create your own custom terminology list and upload it to the system. Supported file formats include Excel and CSV, which directly import the terms listed in the file. If you're using PDF, Word, PowerPoint, or RTF files, the system will automatically analyze the content and extract relevant keywords to include in your terminology library. There are 3 main formats for importing terms. Custom glossary terms. To enhance speech recognition accuracy, simply enter 1 keyword per line, such as technical terms, proper nouns, place names, or personal names. Fuzzy word correction terms. If certain words are frequently misrecognized, enter them as incorrect term plus correct term. The system will automatically correct them moving forward, saving you from manual edits. Translation dictionary terms. To improve translation accuracy, enter 1 pair per line in the format, original term plus translated term. The system will then map terms more precisely during translation. Once the setup is complete, you are ready to start using Vurbo. Once transcription begins, you can manually edit the text as soon as each full sentence is completed. The search function allows you to quickly locate specific words or sections that need editing. Whether you're correcting a single word or replacing keywords throughout the transcript, the process is simple and efficient. After the transcription is complete, you can search through the conversation content, or use the intelligent assistant to quickly extract key points and access AI-powered transcript Q&A features. Vurbo.ai helps you capture the essence of every meeting, faster. Get started with Vurbo now.